Hey guys, I'm here with my FabFitFun, or FabFitFun. I always mess that up for some reason. It's a really fun box. I was excited to get it. I had actually stopped my membership, and I didn't realize I was actually signed up for the whole year, so the fun keeps coming until the fall. I'm not sure if I'm going to get one in the fall or not, actually, so we'll see. It'll be a surprise again. But before we dig in, I wanted to show you guys one of the really cool things about this particular box is that it comes with this whole like little magazine, and it tells you how they kind of come to figure out who's getting what in their box. So like right here, I could get one of these or one of these towels, and I got one of these, and I'll show it to you. It was the Yumi Kim, and it's kind of a navy blue with like some colorful stripes on it. It's attractive, and it has two different compartments. So the top one has a zipper up here that you can, put something in, pencils, multiple things. Makeup. Then this part here is for brushes, and it has this cover that also has this elastic tab that kind of will hold everything in place. It's hard to do one-handed. Anyway, then the next compartment is a bigger one under the bottom that you can put different toiletries in and what so have you. So that's that. It's really very nice. I'm trying to determine if I want to switch my stuff out because I recently did kind of change out my toiletry stuff. But I might go ahead and do two because I'll have one at my regular house, one at the lake house. So depending on where we're leaving from, I'll always have a bag ready to go. So anyway, let's see. The next thing that they have is you can either get the Tarte Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette, or you can get the Tarte Pro To Go Palette and Sex Kitten Liquid Liner, which I didn't get this one. I got this one, and I'm kind of glad because I already have the Sex Kitten Liner, and I do like it, but I like the Contour Kit better. So let's take a look at that next. If I can find it in here. And let's see. It looks, well, it's hard for you to see, I think, but one of them it's really very pretty. The top palette is actually broken a little bit. So I'll maybe send them a photo and see if they can replace that for me. But it's really pretty. That is a color I would use a lot too. But I'm going to send them, like I said, a photo. But hopefully they'll go ahead and send it back. With other companies, I've had similar things kind of happen here and there. Not very often. I think it happened once or twice. But anyway, they were very quick to fix it. So the next thing, I think everybody didn't get this. You would either get the hair shield or you'd get the Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. And so I'll look and see. I got the Orlando Pita Play, which is a heat protective spray for your hair, which I could definitely use. So I'm going to like that one. Let's see what it smells like, actually. Obviously, I have to give it a few pumps. It's new. It's very nice smell. So that's pleasant. I'll definitely use that. Good. Multiphasic Shielding Complex. The ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. You can use it up to 450 degrees for heat protector. Helps repair split ends. Shields from environmental stresses. Refreshes curls. Helps maintain color. Promotes softness. Smooths hair cuticle, preserves shine, and provides humidity control, which we can all use that sometimes, especially right about now. So awesome. And the next thing, you have a choice of these three things. This is a face rejuvenator with enzymes in it, loop resistance band, or the minor history Postscript Wallet, which is circled because that's the one I got. It says that one of the tips is that if you're heading to the hotel pool, you can keep your room key and some cash in the wallet before you go and just grab that little thing. And I haven't completely opened it yet. I want to try to keep this in order because I want to weigh. And so here it is. It has a little wristlet here. It's hard to read. It says minor history. And then it just has like this little ball clasp and literally enough room for like your hotel key, ID, money, credit card. Like 2 or 3 things tops, I would say. And then, you know, just don't lose it when you go swimming, I guess. The next thing, you have a choice of these 3 things here. Where are we? The Earth to Yo ring, the Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar, which I wouldn't have minded getting. I got the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, which I could also use, especially as I'm starting to work out again. I had surgery and I haven't been able to work out, and so it's going to be 6 to 8 weeks before I'm actually going back. So I'm sure I'll have some sore muscles once I hit the gym again. So that'll be coming in handy. And let's see, this is right here. And so with just while I'm opening this, it says within this box that the total value is between $321.99 and $367.99. So what you pay per box is not anywhere near that. So that's why they're really good values on these subscriptions. You get, oh my God, I can smell it already. It smells really good. Focusing and soothing. Experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger. De-stress your body after spending too long in one position or after having too much physical activity. Well, that's awesome. It smells wonderful, so I'll definitely be using that. Maybe even before I start working out, just because it smells so good. And then if you flip over, there's some other things. And this is kind of cool. It's called Foreo Luna Fofo, and it's the newest revolutionary device. It's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced sensors to create a totally personalized profile that's sent straight to the newly launched app. And what it is a facial cleansing brush. And it has sensors on it, smart beauty coach, and it tells you like if your result, like what it thinks, how old it thinks your skin is for you, which may or may not be scary depending on how well you've taken care of your skin, right? Anyway, it measures skin moisture, reveals skin age, customizes a cleansing routine for you, and the app records progress. So that's pretty neat. I'll have to definitely check that out. And the one thing is I don't know where I'll keep it. It seems like we were staying at the lake house more, now we're staying here more. So the next, actually this isn't next, I'm going out of order. Oh, here it is. The next one is going to be this Coola Sport, and this is a moisturizer. It's organics, and it's organic sun care, which I'm curious what it says the active ingredient is. Avobenzone or something like that. Forgive me for not saying it correctly. But certified organic ingredients. This is non-GMO, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, and they are recyclers. So that's awesome. And I love the packaging. It's really pretty. I don't want to open it yet because it's obviously fresh and new, and so I can smell it a little bit through the packaging, but I don't want to open it because I'm not ready to use it because I've got a couple other moisturizers going at the same time right now, so I want to use those up before I break the seal on this one. But very good. This is I love their products. Well, I used to do what's it called? Birchbox. And I've gotten some of these products in my Birchbox, and I've used them and really enjoyed them. So I know I'll use that too. I'll put it in a safe spot so I can get to it. Start using extra moisturizer so I can get to the next one. So then the final thing in this box is a marble ring dish. And it says it's perfect catch-all for keys or loose change, timeless marble design. And one of their tips that they give you is that you can place it near the kitchen sink so you can take off your rings before doing the dishes, which sometimes is also good when you need to cook. So I kind of like that idea. I might put it on the island, kind of whenever I'm cooking. I can just place my rings on there and stuff, or my Fitbit if I'm doing dishes, so I don't get anything ruined or yucky. So anyway, that was really good. I really enjoyed this box. I'm kind of mad that I canceled it, but I just feel like I was getting so many subscriptions I didn't know what to do except start canceling some of them and slowing them down. And so what I think is that you can cancel this one, but it doesn't cancel until you do a year commitment is how I interpreted what's been going on for me, because I got a spring box and now I've gotten the summer box. So maybe I'll get a fall box, maybe not. We'll see. I'll keep you posted. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.